To create this design, I'm going to add a cylinder with a 24 words. Rotate this cylinder into 90 degree and scale it along the y-axis. Then Shift A mesh add a cube. Then press S and X, scale this cube along the x-axis. Then S and Z, scale it along the z-axis. Then select both the objects and Ctrl A, apply the scale. Select this cube, go to the edit mode, select this corner edges and Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Add a 3-segment bevel and give the proper bevel width. Then select everything, press M and merge by distance, suitable words will get merged. Then select this corner edge and Ctrl B and add bevel on it. And this time add 1-segment bevel like this. Now select both the objects and Shift Q, use the union boolean operation. Go to the modifier and apply this boolean modifier and then delete this cutter object. Go to the edit mode, use the knife tool and create straight cut like this along the z-axis. C and Z and create this kind of straight cuts. Then select this edge and Ctrl X to dissolve it. Then select everything and mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry along the x-axis. Then use the knife tool and create cut like this. Select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry. Select these words and press J to connect them. Snap 3D cursor to this word and Shift A mesh, add a cylinder and add 16 word cylinder and scale it down in this way. Now we need to calculate the vertex count here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means we need to add 8 word cylinder or 12 word cylinder. Shift A mesh, add a cylinder with 12 words and scale it down like this. Then press S and Z, scale it along the z-axis. Then select these two objects and Shift Q and use the difference boolean operation. Apply this boolean modifier and delete this cutter object. Select these words and merge at last. Select these words and press J to connect them. Select these words and merge at last. Then use the knife tool here. Then select everything and press M and merge by distance so double words will get merged. Now select these words and merge at last. Then use the knife tool and create cut like this. Then create one cut like this. Select this edge and use the edge slide. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B and add bevel on it. Add a 2-segment bevel and shape factor should be 1. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Select this edge loop and add bevel on it in this way. Select these words and press J to connect them. Select this edge loop and add bevel on it. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Add a 2-segment bevel. Then use the knife tool and create cut along the z-axis. Then create cut along the y-axis in this way. Add one loop cut here. Then add one loop cut here. And then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry. Ctrl A, apply the rotation and take the symmetry along the z-axis. And then hit Ctrl 2 to add the subdivision modifier and shade smooth it. We are getting this kind of result. Go to the edit mode, uncheck this option, select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it like this. Select this edge loop, add bevel on it. Add a 1-segment bevel, select these edge loops and add bevel on them. Add a 2-segment bevel. Add 2 loop cuts here. Then select these edge loops and Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Add 1-segment bevel. Select these edge loops and add bevel on them. Add a 2-segment bevel. Select these faces. Turn on the individual origin and scale down them. Select this face. Use the insert operation. Press Alt S to scale it along the normal. And use the insert operation and then press Alt S to scale it along the normal. And I'm just creating a simple design here. Select these edge loops and add bevel on them. Select this face, use the insert operation, then delete this face, select this edge loop and face grid fill. Adjust the offset. Now we are going to select these faces, increase the selection, use the insert operation, then use the loop to circle option. Make sure you uncheck this flatten option, otherwise you will get this kind of weird shading. So uncheck this flattened option, and we need to decrease the radius here. So check this radius option and decrease this radius like this. Control X to dissolve these edges, and then E to extrude them, and then SX and give the value 0, and then use the insert operation and then extrude them. Now select this edge loops and Control B, add bevel on them like this. Select these edges and use the edge slide little bit to keep a little space at there, so we can get good shading over there. I will select this edge loop and I will add bevel on it. Select this edge loop and press Alt S to scale it along the normal. Select these edge loops and add bevel on them in this way. And here is our design. In this way you can create this kind of design. You can see the form and you can see the topology. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.